What's good, YouTube and Underground family? It's your boy Nugget back again with another video for y'all. And today we have something special for you. We have the 1970s Chevy Nova SS. And we're going to be doing an unboxing. I really love these. I have a friend that used to have a or Cordoba that really reminded me of this car so much. So let's go ahead and get a closer look at it today. Oh wow, just gonna put that to the side. And there she is. Wow, this thing is absolutely amazing. See if we can get it to focus on that booty. Yeah, that is amazing. Take a good look at the details here. Wow, the Real Rider tires are absolutely amazing. They feel weird. Dual exhaust. Let's take a good look here. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Like, I love the detail. This is definitely a cool addition to the collection. Wow. This will be my, let me see, my second premium I've ever had. You guys are watching my collection grow. I'm sharing every opening with you guys. And a lot of the searching for the treasure hunts as well. We haven't found a treasure hunt yet, but I got high hopes that we'll find one maybe this month. I've been taking a break on buying Hot Wheels for a little bit, trying to catch up with some bills, and we have one of us is sick, so we need to save some money and get to the doctor, but we're gonna still be making treasure hunt videos and car videos for you guys in the meantime, so stay tuned. If you guys haven't had a chance yet, check out our Elite Tuners video. It's one of the greatest car shows in the world. It was, we were able to go see it, and the video's up right now. So if you guys are bored and get a chance, check it out. But yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. Until next time, happy hunting, guys. Stay safe.